Hey, it's time to restore this end table. I found this end table at a recycling center and was sold on it when I saw that it opened up. So I brought it home and started to disassemble it so I could get a sand in it. I decided to use a 60 grit and then a 120 grit to get this thing ready. Once everything was done getting sanded, it was time to stain and paint. I'm using a walnut for the stain and then an ivory for the legs. The stain and paint are all dry, so let's put it back together. And here's the before, and here's the after. What do you think?